Hey y'all, and welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, and I'm so excited to dive into the latest happenings in crypto and blockchain. As usual, we have so much to jump into, so let's get into it. Our Discord community is now at 3,812 members. Whether you're a dev, a builder, or just someone curious about decentralization, it is a great space to swap ideas, get feedback, and connect directly with our team. Over on social media, we spotlighted a recent interview between our CEO Kyle and Blockworks. The conversation digs into why we need a wallet on every device in a post-AI world, and why data verification is only going to become more crucial as we move forward. I highly recommend giving it a read. I will have it in the description box below. This week we are spotlighting FSL, aka Find Satoshi Lab. FSL has grown into a serious Web3 player by merging fitness, gaming, and digital ownership into one ecosystem. You've probably heard of STEPN, their flagship move-to-earn app that rewards users with tokens for real-life physical activity. Now they've expanded that with STEPN Go, which brings in social features and gamified mechanics to keep users even more engaged. But FSL doesn't stop there. They also run Moar, an NFT marketplace, and Duar, their decentralized exchange, both tied together through the FSL ID. That ID acts as a universal login and wallet, tracking activity and rewards across all their platforms. This year, they dropped GMT Pay, which lets users convert their in-app earnings into a prepaid MasterCard you can use basically anywhere. It's a huge leap in making digital rewards spendable in real life. Let's talk about ETHCC 2025, which just wrapped last week in Cannes. Our sales lead, Drew, was on the ground, and the energy was noticeably more grounded this year. Less hype, more substance. The conference lined up with Ethereum's Pectra upgrade, so there was a lot of discussion around scalability, privacy, and pushing Ethereum toward everyday usability. ReFi, public goods, and decentralized infrastructure were big talking points. Robinhood made waves with a new staking feature and stablecoin trading. MetaMask hosted a VIP party to launch their new metal credit card. Meanwhile, Stellar took a more impact-driven route with our Stable House project, showing how stablecoins are already being used for aid distribution. There were over 300 side events and real signs of crypto creeping into the mainstream. It honestly felt like a turning point. The Ethereum community is still vibrant, but there's a new focus on building long-term practical solutions. To close things out, let's talk about how to use GitHub Actions for IPFS. IPFS is an awesome way to make your content immutable and accessible from anywhere, but uploading your files manually every time you update a project can get old fast. That's where automation comes in. In our latest blog post, we walk through how to create a GitHub Actions workflow that automatically pushes your project to IPFS using Pinata every time you push to your main branch. It's perfect for static websites, documentation, or anything you want distributed in a decentralized way. The real magic is in the combo. You get the ease of GitHub's CI/CD workflows paired with the power of IPFS for permanent content addressable distribution. Every push becomes a seamless deployment to decentralized web. No extra effort, no extra clicks, just set it and go. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more content from our team here at Pinata. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye everyone!